GL Homes is arguably the premier builder of active adult communities here in Southwest Florida. They have brought their Valencia product to Fort Myers for the first time ever with Valencia Harbor. Today, I'm going to give you a tour of the 9 furnished models. Stay tuned. This channel focuses on everything to do with living in Southwest Florida. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or just have questions, call or text me today, 239-450-5786. Valencia Harbor is going to bring 986 homes to eastern Fort Myers. Great location, convenient to everything Fort Myers has to offer. 14 different floor plans with all the options to pick from. The Shoreline Collection features 6 floor plans ranging from 1,599 to 2,555 square feet. The Exuma features 1,844 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths plus a den, and a 2-car garage. Structural options include the extended garage. The Eleuthera features 2,027 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, a den, and a 2-car garage. Structural options include alternate elevations and an extended garage. All the homes built at Valencia Harbor include impact-resistant windows and doors. Bon Air features 2,100 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a den, and a 2-car garage. Structural options include the extended garage. To receive all the community information, including floor plans, click the link below or scan the code on the screen. The Marina Collection features 4 floor plans ranging from 2,076 square feet up to 2,470. The Tortuga features 2,076 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths plus a den, and a 3-car garage. Structural options include an extended garage. The Granada features 2,470 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a den, and a split 3-car garage. Structural options include an extended garage option. The Antigua features 2,342 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a den, and a 2-car garage. Structural options include the extended garage. Don't forget, all homes at Valencia Harbor feature impact-resistant windows and doors. The Bayside Collection features 4 floor plans ranging from 2,643 to 3,116 square feet. The Barbados features 2,643 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, a club room, and a 3-car split garage. Structural options include the extended garage and an extended screened and covered patio option. To receive all the information, including HOA fees, floor plans, and more about Valencia Harbor, click the link below or scan this code. The Bahama features 3,116 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, a den, and a 3-car garage. Structural options include the extended garage and an extended screened and covered patio option. The Belize features 2,719 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, an office, and a 2-car garage with a separate golf cart or storage area. Structural options include the extended garage and an extended screened and covered patio option. Well, there you have it, your sneak peek to the furnished models that are here at Valencia Harbor. If you're interested in purchasing a home here at Valencia Harbor or anywhere in Southwest Florida, call me today, 239-450-5786. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified for all future videos.